So we're in the part of the pandemic where I am now putting on makeup. I am choosing what color of the rainbow I want to dye my hair. Right now the top two choices are a bright blue or a bright red. So if you have an opinion, put it in the comments below. Also, I'm thinking about putting in my facial piercings because half of them would be covered anyway, and yeah, I think there's bigger issues that people are dealing with than what metal is in my face. So stay tuned for that. So today, well actually a couple of days ago, YouTube notified me saying that I hit 100 subscribers. Yay! So that was cool, right? I was like, oh, look at that, hey! I posted it on Facebook and Instagram, right? Like 10 minutes later, I'm looking on Facebook, I'm doing something with videos, and I notice, oh, I have 99 subscribers. Okay. There's an imposter among us. But it's been a couple days, and I'm at 101 currently, so today I have the day off. I'm pretty well off on the schoolwork. I don't have too much. It's Sunday basically, right? Monday starts the new week, starts the new crazy, starts the new assignments, all of that. But for today, for Sunday, I have time. And what I'm gonna do is make my first terrarium. I've done some research, and yeah, so I think it will be successful. I'm hoping. And yeah, I'm gonna change the camera angle so that you can see what I'm doing. And yeah, come along, come hang out while I do a terrarium. If I'm doing something completely wrong, throw it in the comments below. And yeah, or tell me what you would put in your terrarium. If the plants I chose don't make any sense. So yeah, just let me know. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Hey guys, alright, so I have my supplies. I'm going to be making my terrarium in an older pickle jar. It's a pickle jar. I ate all the pickles, they're all gone. I cleaned it out. I took off the label, and I think it would look really cute. It's compact, it's not too big, it's a sturdy glass. I always get nervous about making anything in a type of glass, just because if I drop it, I'm clumsy. I drop stuff, I knock things over all the time. But I feel confident that this glass will hold up. So we have that. I have some, I'm going to be using these white rocks. Got them at Dollar Tree. I have some charcoal, and I have some plants. So I'll show you the plants really quick. I think they're all Pepperomias. I could be wrong. If I am wrong, let me know. So this is the first one. I don't know the names of these. But yeah, if you guys know, let me know. This one, I don't think it's the parallel Pepperomia. And it's not the watermelon Pepperomia. Maybe it's the elongated watermelon Pepperomia. Not sure. But the next one is this. I have no idea what this is called, but it's so pretty. It's like a dark maroon reddish pinkish color. I'm dropping soil, but that's okay. And then this is another Pepperomia. It's reddish, it's got a red hue, so I forget what it's called, the ripple something. I think I've had this once before, which does really well in the summer, but then once it gets colder and the air dries up, they kind of crap out. So the next one is this. It's really cute. It has green leaves with red veins. And then I think this one might be the Pepperomia Frost. Not 100% sure. But either way, it's cute. So, alright, so those are the 5 plants I'm going to be throwing in the terrarium. First, from my research, you want to put a layer that is draining. So that would be the rocks, the white rocks. And then to reduce odor and remove the toxins from the water that you put in here, you're going to put a little bit of carbon. What I've seen people do is they put a layer of rocks down and then they dig a little hole inside, and then they put the charcoal in the hole. So let me do that and then I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so this is the layer of rocks, and you're gonna dig out a little hole, and then you're gonna put the charcoal in the hole. So this is what the charcoal looks like, just black charcoal. Guess we're gonna get our hands dirty today. Dump some in there. Okay, so now that we have our rocks, our drainage layer of rocks, and we have a whole bunch of soot on my hands from putting the charcoal in, the water's going to sit down here and it's going to make a little ecosystem. So as it heats up, water's going to come through the rocks, through the charcoal, removing any impurities, as well as keeping down like that wet, musty smell. It's going to come up into the vase, it's going to evaporate, hit the glass, and then condensate back down. And then this will allow the humidity in the air to stay higher so that the plants get that humidity and they also get all of the light and water that they need. I really look at my hand. Look, I mean, I'm not mad at it, but it's cute. It's cute. Okay, so some people like to put a screen over this layer, and mostly the screen is for aesthetics. It's so that when you put the soil in, it doesn't mix with the rocks down here, and it keeps that layer of, like, you know, the drainage colored rocks with the soil. I don't really care about that, so I'm not going to use a screen. I'm just going to throw some soil on top, throw the plants in, cover it up, and call it a day, because I think it'll look fine. If there's a little bit of dirt mixed in with the rocks, it's fine. So now I'm going to be adding soil. I'm going to probably put about, I don't know, what is that, an inch and a half layer of soil. And I'm going to dig little holes so that I can pop in these plants. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I have my layer of dirt. I am now going to put these guys in here and then put some more dirt surrounding it, holding the plants into place. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to put this on a shelf and have the light come from this direction. So I'm trying to make a story where the lowest lying plant is in front and then kind of going up. So I'm going to put some more dirt in and angle it so that this back row of plants is elevated and can reach light. Now, I don't know if this guy is going to make it, but we'll try it in here. He obviously doesn't like it where he is now, so we're going to try this Pepperomia prostrata, or string of turtles, as a ground coverage. We'll see how it works. No guarantees on these, but okay, so this is what we have going on in here. Hopefully I didn't put too much. I want the plants to be able to grow. Real quick, we have a whole bunch of Pepperomia, a little Palea, I forget what it's called, like teardrops or something, and I put in a little bit of the string of turtles that I have. Hopefully that guy does well. I'm going to spray this with some alcohol water just to kill off anything that might be in the soil. And yeah, that's what we got going on. Hopefully you could see that. It's a little hard with the glare, but I think it looks really good. It's kind of angled, as you can see here, so that these back plants will still hopefully get some light from there. And yeah, I think this is going to look really good in a couple of months. So if you guys have any tips or suggestions, think I should add anything or remove anything, let me know. Let me know what you would put in a terrarium, because I do have another pickle jar. It's not empty yet. I'm still working on it. So I think I might be the pickle jar terrarium lady. But anyway, if you guys like this video, then like it. If you don't like it, then I guess don't like it. If you guys want to see more mediocre videos on just a lady trying to figure out how to plant, then hit the subscribe button. You can hit the notification button. I'm going to be trying to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I recently got some new software because I had to get some stuff for school, and I saw that they offered some editing software, so I just tacked it on. So hopefully the video quality gets a little better. And yeah, so until next time, guys, relax, plant, and peace out.